wake up, come and see what surprises the morning will be. Good morning, Mr. Rooster, so proud and bright. You flap your wings and greet the light. You crow so loud for all to hear. Cock-a-doodle-doo, a new day's here. The sun pops up with a golden glow. It paints the sky with a gentle show. Mr. Rooster calls, come look at this. A morning sparkled with sunshine bliss. Little chicks gather all around, peeping softly, tiny feet on the ground. Mr. Rooster, what's new today? Follow me, little ones, come this way. They peek behind the old haystack, where butterflies dance and the world wakes back. The rooster says, look close and see, morning brings small mysteries. Down by the barn the horses neigh, shaking their manes to start the day. Mr. Rooster asks, what do they know? The horses whisper, the winds will blow. The ducks waddle by with fluffy cheer, quacking happily, feathers soft and clear. Good morning, ducklings, Rooster cries, your yellow coats brighten the skies. The cows moo softly across the field, warm, fresh milk is their morning yield. Mr. Rooster nods, the farm's alive, let's explore before noon arrives. They wander where the tall corn grows, where ladybugs rest on leafy rows. The rooster whispers, look near, look far, every morning tells who we are. Up on the fence he stands so tall, watching the farm, protecting all. Come, my friends, the day is new, there's so much magic in every view. As the warm sun climbs high above, the farm is filled with peace and love. Mr. Rooster smiles before we're through, every morning brings something